Installation video for our full-motion TV wall mount. Wood stud installation. Locate the wood studs on the wall with a stud finder. Hold the installation template to the center of the stud and verify that it is level with a bubble level. Mark the drilling locations with a pencil. At the marked locations, drill pilot holes with a 3/16" drill bit to a depth of 2 inches. Secure the wall bracket to the wall with the provided lag screws. Place the decorative covers on the wall plate as shown. Concrete or brick wall installation. Hold the installation template to the desired mounting location and verify that it is level by using a bubble level. Mark the drilling locations with a pencil. At the marked locations, drill pilot holes with a 5/16" drill bit to a depth of 2.2 inches. Carefully clear any dust or debris from inside the drilled holes and insert all 3 provided plastic anchors. Secure the wall plate to the wall with the provided lag screws. Place the decorative covers on the wall plate as shown. Choosing the correct VESA pattern. This mount comes with a standard-sized VESA plate suitable for small to medium TVs and can extend with the help of the extension brackets to fit TVs up to 55 inches. Installing the TV to the TV plate. Lay your display face down on a soft flat surface and place the VESA plate so that the VESA holes are aligned with the plate. Then select and install the appropriate size mounting bolts for your display's VESA pattern. Attaching the TV to the wall bracket. Remove the bolt and washer from the back of the VESA plate. Hook the TV onto the top of the wall bracket as shown here. Reinstall the bolt and washer to secure the plate to the mount. Tilt adjustment. Loosen the bolt as shown here. Adjust the TV to the desired tilt angle, then tighten the bolt to lock the tilt in position. Level adjustment. Loosen the bolt as shown here. Level the TV to the desired angle, then tighten the bolt back down to lock the mount in position. Cable management. Use the cable ties to route the cables to the TV.